Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rochelle and I do budgeting videos here on YouTube. So today you guys, I have a it is a different video for you guys today. I think these are called Happy Mail. So I won a giveaway from Quedema. I hope I'm saying that properly, but yes, this is from Quedema. She was doing a giveaway and I ended up winning, so I just got my package yesterday and so I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So yeah, I just put some post-its here so that we can hide the private information. So I'm so excited. All right, so let's open this baby up and let's see what we got. Okay, oh my gosh, you're so cute. Oh my gosh. Let's see, this is, oh, I don't want to mess anything up. Okay, so she sent me a thank you card. Thank you for being a really good online friend to me. I appreciate your support. I'm thankful to have you on this journey with me. P.S. I included one of my favorite pens. Oh, thank you so much, Quedema. And so if you don't know about her, please go ahead and follow her. She is the best. I love watching her videos, and I'm gonna link her down below and put her tag up here as well. I believe she's also on Instagram, but I don't have Instagram right now. So yeah, but I'll put her link down below. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this says, I put this pack of stickers for you too. I hope you like them. Thank you again for being such a good friend. Aw. It says, P.S. Your daughter is blessed to have you. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so blessed to have her. So since I've actually been, so you guys, backstory, I still do planning on like digital planning, but lately I feel like I've just been having so much to do that I feel like I need to write things down, especially now having a new puppy, having appointments for him, and my daughter going back to school, having like appointments for her with work, and just so much going on with my schedule. And you know, if you guys don't know, I'm also on a weight loss journey, so I see a nutritionist a lot and I see my trainer a couple of times a week. So I just feel like it's better for me to just write everything down, and I feel like it's better visually for me to see everything. So I'm gonna start doing that now. But let's look at these stickers. They're so stinking cute. Okay, so all right, let's get into this. Oh my gosh, we got a bookmark. It says, enjoy the moments that make you smile. Put your productive pants on. This one pretty productive. And then we have these stickers for some holidays. Easter, spring. Definitely gonna use those. Oh, this is so cute. Friends like you are few and far between. I love these. Oh my gosh, I love that. I never have any of these. I have like some stickers from a couple of years ago where I used to try to do the planning by paper. So I do have some booklets. Let me see. So I still do have these like booklets from like so long ago, but definitely don't have anything like this. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely gonna use these. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to use them. And then we have these for November. Oh my gosh. Definitely. Oh my gosh, I love these. I don't know if, oh yeah, see, you can see them. Oh. I think I'm gonna be obsessed with stickers now. And then let's open up this planner. Oh, sorry, I don't have any way to try to open this prettier. That's okay. Alright. I'm just gonna take it out. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love this print. I love this print. And it's a weekly, and it's non-dated, so that's actually perfect because, oh my gosh, I got more stuff. I thought that was all the stickers. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. What was I saying? Oh, I love that this is non-dated because I do have an old planner that I'm using. So that's gonna be good until December. And then I can start using this for the new year. Yes, that's perfect. So, oh my gosh, we have more stuff in here, but let's see this first. Do I have enough space? Okay, yeah, this is perfect. I'm sorry, you guys, if you can hear my daughters in the background and her cousins are here, so they're being pretty loud right now. But yeah, this is actually perfect. I like seeing the whole week in a glance and priorities. I also started like trying to plan out really my meals because right now I'm kind of just trying to do it on the fly whenever I'm off, but I actually want to put in like on a specific date when I want to cook and meal prep, when I want to go grocery shopping, things like that. So this is perfect, and I can make my grocery list right here also. But yes, this is perfect. I'm definitely gonna be using this. Maybe I'll even start doing like plan with me or like things like that, start jotting things down and showing you guys. We'll see. Let's take it little by little. So yeah, we have more stickers right here. Oh my gosh. This is so not glamorous how I'm opening this. Sorry. Okay, so we have a home sticker right here. First day, 50th, 100th day. This will be good for my daughter's school. And I also won, I believe it's $25. Oh my gosh, I love this envelope. It's so well made. It's nice and thick. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have this nice pink envelope, and it's clear in the front or the back, whichever one you want to use. It also has a tracker, and it has the cash, which is 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. $25 in cash. I'll still like think about where I'm gonna put the money, so I'm gonna leave this here for now and use it maybe on my next cash stuffing. I'll show you guys what I use it for. Now we have more stickers that says let's party the best, no worries, don't forget, happy birthday, shine, and vacation. I love these ones that, what do you call these? I can't think of the word right now, but the one that shines. Okay, we still have these pretty productive, nice matte pastel boxes. We have some flags. These are perfect for fall colors, actually. Another one of these, which I have one right here, so that's great. Choose joy. I can even probably put some of these in the front, maybe like the home and this. Some stars for like priorities, or like don't forget things. Another one of these in like, what is this, tan caramel. And then I have these stickers for meal planning. This is perfect. I was just talking about how I need to do that. So I really, wow. Thank you. This is really going to help me plan. Shopping list, another one. This is definitely going to help me. What is this? Spending and some, are these called washies? Sorry, you guys, I don't know. I have to like learn the lingo or, you know, of using stickers. And some more of these. Girls Run the World, Dinner with Friends, errands. I really like these. Thank you so much, Quedema. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. This is really gonna give me a jump start on starting to use a paper planner, because I have to tell you, I've tried to do it in the past, but you know, I would do it for like a couple of days. I would put in like all the important dates, and then for some reason I just stopped doing it. But I think using stickers, it's really gonna help me continue it and really help me prioritize and plan and just organize everything, organize my life, everything I need to do. So I'm so excited to use this. So again, thank you so much, Quedema, for all that you sent me. And what is it, this Friday, you guys, I'll be doing a cash stuffing with my extra income, which I'll let you guys know what it is from. I've actually already done the video, so this will be for my next cash stuffing, maybe. I don't know. I'll let you guys know when I end up stuffing this. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Short and sweet for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you have not already. And again, I'm gonna link her channel down below. Please go check her out. She is amazing, the sweetest ever. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.